Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. I am here with another question of trigonometry, that is prove that sine A minus 2 sine cube A completely divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos A is equal to tan A. We have to prove this, so let us consider first LHS. LHS is equal to sine A minus 2 sine cube A completely divided by 2 cos cube A minus cos of A, and RHS is equal to tan of A. We have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Now from LHS we take sine A common from the numerator and cos of A common from the denominator. So we have sine A divided by cos of A in bracket 1 minus 2 sine square A completely divided by 2 cos square A minus 1. See, multiply this sine A, you will get same in the numerator, and if you multiply cos A in the denominator, you will get the before one. So sine A upon cos A is equal to tan A. So we have tan A. Now this 1 minus sine square A divided by 2 into cos square A minus 1, we have to eliminate this one. So we have, so let me write it first. 1 minus 2 sine square A divided by 2 into cos square A minus 1. We have sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We'll put the value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 in this numerator and denominator. So we'll get tan A into sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine square A divided by 2 cos square A minus sine square theta plus cos square theta. Let me take this in bracket as we have substituted for 1. After this minus sign will get inside this, this cos term also will be get negative. So we have tan A in bracket. We'll cancel out what can be cancelled. So this one term of sine square theta, sine square A, here it should be A, and here also it should be A, here also A, and here also A. Remember, if the value of what you substitute for this one, take the reference related to this angle given. If it is A, you should take A. If it is theta, you should take theta. And now this sine square one term and this sine square term get cancelled. So we have cos square A minus sine square A divided by this 2 cos square A minus of sine square A minus of cos square A. I have taken this my negative sign inside the bracket. Now this one term of cos square A and will get cancelled. So we have tan of A divided by cos square A minus sine square A completely divided by cos square A minus sine square A. You can see the numerator and denominator is same, so you can cancel it out. So we'll have finally tan A as our final answer. Hence that is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now alternate method for this 1 minus sine square a from the trigonometric formula, 1 minus sine square a, that is equal to cos of 2a and 2 cos square a minus 1, that is equal to also cos 2a. You can directly substitute these values and cancel this. This is the alternative method and shortcut method, but you have to know this formula first. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Study With Me. And this formula listing and explanation is done in my trigonometric lectures. Please do watch them also. Thank you.